asuntoskeittiö Tuulensuulla. Hämeenkatu 13, Tampere staircase C. 7th floor is locked off, unfortunately. And the basement is also locked off. In 1968, VS 1617. Updated by Valmet Otis in 1992. But just updated, not modernized. But it says modernized for some reason. Ground floor. Forward saw 325 kilograms. New serial number is B1S68072, but it's needless because it's just updated. 6th floor is did by ValmetSchlieren and maintained by Suomen Hissirakan. Ground floor. And I have finished staircase D, F and G also. And, but not staircase A and B. Yeah, 6th floor. And these elevators are going to be modernized, unfortunately. Or replaced, but I'm sorry if I can get staircase A and B filled later. That's